Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Point. Now we are going to see how we have to read this. So what is the meaning of these lines? We understand that what is this, but how we have to read this. Okay, so process of reading start from the left and we have to stop where first operand is found. Okay, so how compiler going to read this? We have to start reading from the left, and whenever first operand is found, so this t is our operand, and after that in here in the second example we have to start reading from the left, and first operand is e. From here we have to stop here, and here we have to stop here, and after our operand is found we need to check the priority of operators around it. Okay, so based on that we have to get the meaning of it. So if we start reading this first instruction, so it will say that this d, and d is a array of 5 elements. Okay, so d is a array of 5 elements of type integer. Okay, so these are array of 5 elements. So what will be happening? This is the array of 5 elements of type integer. So d is a array of 5 elements of type integer, so integer value will be stored in here. So this is the meaning of it. Okay, so what is the meaning of this in here? Here we will be start reading from the left and stop here. Okay, so now e, so we have to compare the precedence of this asterisk and this brackets. So from the operator precedence table we know that the brackets priority is higher than the asterisk, and that's why the meaning of this is e is a array of 5 elements. So what are those elements? Those elements are pointer. So e is a elements of 5 pointer to an integer value. Okay, so e is a array of 5 pointer to integer. So the meaning of this is e is a array. Okay, so e is a array of 5 pointer. These are 5 pointer. Okay, so what will be the size of each? 8 byte. So point, because in here the size of each section is 2 byte, but in here size of each is 8 byte. Okay, because these are the array of 5 pointer and it will be pointing to an integer type. Okay, so these pointer will be pointing to an integer value. And what is the meaning of this? So here we have already defined a structure, and here we have defined integer, float and character. So the integer size is 2 byte, float 4 byte and character 1 byte. So the total size of this structure is 7 byte. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? So we already know that we have to start reading from the left and we will stop at the operand, and we need to compare the precedence of the operator around it. So this brackets priority is higher than the asterisk, and that's why the meaning of this is e is an array of 5 elements. So those 5 elements are pointer. So this e is an array of 5 pointer to type struct node. Okay, so this is also our e is a array of 5 pointer. These are the pointer, each of size 8 byte, and it will be pointing to a structure. Okay, it will be pointing to a structure. So this is how we are going to read this. Now we are going to read this instruction. So what will be the procedure? We have to start reading from the left and stop at the operand, and now this d is a array of 7 elements of each of type struct node. So what will be the size of each element? That is 7 byte. Okay, so this is our d. So d is a array of 7 elements, and of type struct node. So what is the size of struct node? 7 bytes. So each of size 7 byte. So each of size will be 7 bytes. So this is the meaning of it. So I repeat once again, what is the meaning of this? D is a array of 5 elements of type integer. Here the meaning of this is E is a array of 5 pointer to an integer. E is a array of 5 pointer to a struct node, and D is array of 7 elements of type struct node. Okay, so each element size will be 2 bytes in here. Each element size in 8 bytes in we have, because this is a pointer. This is also a pointer. The each element size will be 8 byte, and this is of type struct node. So each element size will be 7 byte because this is of 7 byte. So this is the meaning, and this is how we have to read these instructions. So most of the time these are used in our code, so we need to read it very carefully, what is the meaning of it. Okay, so be careful when you are reading the instructions of these types. So thank you so much. See you in the next video with the example.